got a GS350. I'm gonna show you everything that's wrong with it today. What is up, everyone? This is Kevin. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Today we're gonna go over every single defect that is wrong with my newly acquired Lexus GS350. This is a 2007. A little bit of background on this Lexus GS350. I recently acquired this from my former boss, whom I worked for at Bothell Toyota Specialist. I was a lube tech there for about 2 years before I did detailing. He is recently getting into the EV car scene, so of course he's getting rid of his internal combustion vehicles. So I could not say no. I really wanted the GS350 because one, we never had one on the channel, and two, it's a great platform for us to show you guys some mods and enhancements. So diving into what's horrible on the front end, as you can see, there is plenty of rock chips throughout the OEM bumper. The aftermarket front lip is also damaged. It's got a crack here, as well as a crack here. The headlights, both outer and inner, signature to the first few generations of the Lexus GS, they're faded. So they did this design on both the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen. And so are the fog lights. And up close you can see all the rock chips from just daily driving this thing to work, road trips. Really took a toll on this bumper. There's gotta be a couple hundred, if not more. It's also on the hood as well. Of course, it wouldn't be a used Lexus without a cracked windshield, so this is still actually rocking the OEM windshield. There is a large crack right through the center. It's more apparent on the interior. You can see how large that crack is. It's also kind of in the way of driving. I've gotten a little used to it, but we're gonna get this windshield changed. Since we're in here, I also like to mention that the driver's seat has a good size rip. It's bigger than my hand, right on the bottom bolster. Passenger seat is fine, and the upper backrest is fine. Overall, the paint's a little faded. This vehicle definitely does need a paint correction of some sort, which we're gonna do. The rear OEM lip spoiler is also faded. Here, ladies and gentlemen, you are staring at the 2GR FSE, very common motor in this generation of Lexus. This is also the same motor in my 2007 Lexus IS350, as well as the 2008 IS350 that we recently sold. Which brings us to our 5th point. This 2GR unfortunately has an oil burning problem. I'm having to top off this vehicle every 1,000 miles with about a quart. So it is burning through some oil. On the next oil change, we're gonna switch to a 10 weight 30 in hopes of alleviating that oil burning issue. All 4 wheels have a little bit of curb rash. This is the driver's front. This vehicle was my former boss's daily driver, so it's understandable that these wheels do have some curb rash. I mean, no one's perfect. And that's the passenger front. Good amount of curb rash there. We're gonna look for some nice wheels for this vehicle. It's already got some Vordovens on it right now. These are a 19 by 9.5, and the vehicle is on some Eibach lowering springs. Flaw number 7 is the center climate vent is missing the knob that moves it left and right. We can still move the vents up and down manually with our fingers, but it's missing this one. And it looks like I just broke the other one. Number 8, the OEM auto dim mirror has this oxidation defect on the actual glass itself. You can see it there. We're gonna source one on eBay. I really like to keep it OEM as possible. We can go with a larger and wider Broadway mirror, but I like the auto dim feature and I like the compass that's on this vehicle. And that pretty much wraps up this video. That's everything that's wrong with the newly acquired Lexus GS350. Overall, not bad. I mean, it is almost a 20-year-old vehicle, and it was someone's daily driver for the past 11 years. So considering I got this vehicle for $1,000, not bad at all. Like I said, we're gonna make a series of videos that are gonna cover fixing a lot of these issues, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Let's stay in touch. Let me know what kind of videos you wanna see. Message me, email me, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.